Tool number 1 is the KDP Cover Calculator. So once you're on the Cover Calculator page, you'll choose whether your book is paperback or hardcover. Then you'll choose the interior type. For most standard books, this is going to be black and white interior, but it depends on your book. Then you'll choose the paper type, the page turn direction, and your measurement units. For this example, I'm going to use inches. Then you'll enter your trim size and your page count. And this is the part a lot of first-time authors miss. Your cover size is not just based on your front cover. It's based on the full wraparound cover, including the front cover, back cover, spine, bleed, paper type, trim size, and page count. So if your page count changes, your cover dimensions can change too. Once you enter the information, KDP gives you the exact cover size and lets you download a template. This is what you would use if you're designing your own cover or what you would give to your cover designer so they're not guessing. Once you have the correct cover dimensions, the next thing you need to think about is the inside of the book, which brings me to tool number 2, Kindle Create. Kindle Create, which requires a download for PC or Mac, is Amazon's free formatting software. And this is where you can format your book before uploading it to KDP. Once you open Kindle Create, you can start a new project and import your manuscript. After the file is imported, you'll see your book broken into sections, and this is where you can start cleaning up the structure. You can add or format your front matter, like the title page, copyright page, dedication, or table of contents. You can also format your chapter titles so the book looks more polished and is easier to navigate. And then, inside the chapter, you have different formatting options like styles, drop caps, separators, and other design elements depending on how you want the book to look. And if you don't want to build the Kindle Create file from scratch, I'll link my Kindle Create templates below. After you've formatted the inside of the book, you still need to check how it looks before you publish. Tool number 3 is the KDP Previewer. This is the tool you'll use inside KDP before you publish your book. Check your table of contents, check your page breaks, check your headers, footers, margins, spacing, and any images or special formatting. Tool number 4 is A+ Content. A+ Content is a free tool inside KDP that lets you add extra visual sections to your book's Amazon sales page. So instead of only having your cover, you could create a section that shows who the book is for. You could highlight what the reader will learn, you could show the themes of your book, and you could add an author spotlight. Or if you have more than one book, you could create a comparison chart so readers can see which book is right for them. While A+ Content helps strengthen the book sales page, there's another page authors often forget about, and that's the author page. Tool number 5 is Amazon Author Central. Author Central is where you create or update your Amazon author profile. This is where readers can click your name and learn more about you. You can add your author bio, author photo, website, and book information so your Amazon presence feels more complete. A lot of first-time authors skip this because they're focused on getting their book uploaded. But if someone clicks on your name, you don't want the author page to look unfinished. So those are the 5 free self-publishing tools I think every first-time author should know and use. The KDP Cover Calculator, Kindle Create, the KDP Previewer, A+ Content, and Amazon Author Central. Now that you have the tools, you need the process. I put together a step-by-step walkthrough on how to publish your book on Amazon. Click that and I'll see you in the next video.